We are here with Miss Teresa. She just finished up our knee repair, not knee replacement program here with us, and finished up doing our V-Slim program here with us. At what moment did you decide that you needed or wanted help with your issue?
I had several issues coming in. I had knee problems, and I knew that my weight wasn't good with my knee problems. When I came here, they offered me knee repair, not knee replacement, a biologic, laser with the knee laser with the biologic, and V-Slim and a V-Fit program. And I took advantage of all of them, and it was a long haul. Took me about 12 weeks, and I am very happy. I am able to do everything I need to do in my daily life that I wasn't able to do before the program. I've lost 18 pounds, 20.25 inches with the V-Slim, and I feel fantastic. I'm looking forward to the summer when I can do all the things, the physical things I want to do.